Some up, some down, but we're still going strong. The housing market is adjusting, but not in a bad way. It's time again for some property sales prognostications for Hamilton County, Indiana, based on January stats. Plus some other interesting info, at least I think it's interesting, even though it's from the IRS. And I do feel compelled to update my personal info as I am now standing on 2 feet. Yay! Cast off, boot off, brace on. Walking is difficult but doable, and I have been released to drive. Watch out, Hamilton County. Hi, I'm Susan Roberts with the Roberts Realty Group, brokered by eXp, your best friend in the business. Moving on, let's talk numbers. We are still in a strong seller's market, and it looks like it may stay that way for quite a while. A neutral market is 4 to 6 months of available inventory, which is measured by a calculation called the absorption rate. That's the number of days that it would take to sell all the current inventory, which was 1.5 months, up from the 1.2 months in December. Sold listings were down 36.4% month over month, but only down 15% year over year, which is not surprising as these were purchases from December that closed in January. New listings were up 21% month over month, but down 15.7% year over year. Sellers, are you still waiting to see what the market is going to do? If you'd like a comparative market analysis, that's a CMA in realtor speak, to find out your home value, I'd be glad to do one for you. Anyways, total active listings were 407, which was down 20% from December of 2022, but up a whopping 197% from January of 2022. So still upping supply. Average days on market jumped to 49, a 104% increase month over month, and 113% increase year over year. Yep, market is slowing or decelerating, but not crashing. The median price only dropped 0.3% to an even $430,000, which is still 13.5% increase from January of 2022. We may see some more significant changes in the coming months, depending on what the economy in general is doing, rate of inflation, recession possibilities, unemployment stats, etc. But I still don't think our area is going to experience a huge shift downward. Obviously, the median price is continuing to stay strong, and if interest rates continue to drop along with lower inflation, the total active listings will decrease when more buyers enter the market, especially with spring coming. I'm curious about your thoughts on the market. Is the uncertainty stopping you from buying or selling? Are you waiting to see what the interest rates will be? Waiting for prices to come down? Please leave your comments below or reply to this email. I'd really like to know what you think. That's a TIA. Thanks in advance. And now for the interesting stuff from no other than the IRS. It's their wealth migration info. Check out the charts. Indiana is losing some of their tax base, not surprisingly, to warmer climates. Hamilton County, however, is all green, with most of the growth coming from homeowners who moved out of Marion County. The most wealth migration from out of state is from the Chicago area, for both the state as a whole as well as for Hamilton County. Interesting, huh? So here's your cliff notes for this month. Buyers, you certainly have more choices, and sellers are once again willing to make concessions. Remember, real estate is still one of the best investments over the long term you'll ever make. Start building equity now. Don't wait on prices to drop or interest rates to drop. Sellers, you can still get top dollar if you position and prepare your home properly. Add in top-notch digital marketing. I can't talk today. And you'll get top dollar. Signing off, it's Susan Roberts with the Roberts Real Estate Group, brokered by eXp, your best friend in the business. See you on the other side of sold.